Let's take a look at the developments that's taken place so far. It's after the brutal lynchings of 2 Hindus in Bangladesh that Bangladesh has now rejected the allegations of minorities being unsafe in the very country. Dhaka has accused the Ministry of External Affairs of malicious propaganda, claiming that isolated incidents do not amount to persecution of Hindus. Meanwhile, Bangladesh police has made a stunning claim over the murder of Sharif Osman Hadi, alleging that the killers fled to India after his murder. Dhaka police has claimed that the accused fled to Meghalaya before they were identified. They said that the claim is based on inputs from informal channels, but no official intelligence or documentary proof has been offered so far. So Indian authorities, let us tell you, have pushed back strongly with the Meghalaya police rejecting claims of any arrests. Earlier, in fact, Hadi's family itself had alleged a political link, claiming the murder was meant to stall elections by no less than the interim administrator Yunus himself. With glaring contradictions, who will be gaining if India is made the scapegoat in this entire situation? That remains to be the question of the very hour. Let's quickly take a look at the reactions that's come in so far into the story.
দেখা যায় ফয়সাল ও আলমগীর ঘটনার পরপরই ঢাকা হতে সিএনজি করে আমিন বাজারে যায়। পরবর্তীতে তারা মানিকগঞ্জের কালামপুর যায়। সেখান থেকে পূর্ব পরিকল্পনা অনুযায়ী একটি প্রাইভেট কারে করে ময়মনসিংহের হালুয়াঘাটে পৌঁছে। ঘটনাটি তাদের পূর্ব পরিকল্পিত ছিল। এই জন্য আসামিদেরকে চিহ্নিত করার পূর্বেই তারা সীমান্ত পাড়ি দিতে সক্ষম হয়। হালুয়াঘাটের পূর্বে মুন ফিলিং স্টেশনে জনৈক ফিলিপ এবং সঞ্জয় তাদেরকে গ্রহণ করার জন্য অপেক্ষা করতে থাকে। ফিলিপ তাকে সীমান্ত পার করে ভারতের মেঘালয় রাজ্যে জনৈক পুত্তির নিকট হস্তান্তর করে। পুত্তি এক ট্যাক্সি ড্রাইভার স্বামীর কাছে তাদেরকে হস্তান্তর করে।
Now, weeks after student leader Sharif Osman Hadi succumbed to his gunshot, his brother has alleged that the Yunus-led interim government is using the death of Hadi as a plot to defer the Bangladesh election, which is scheduled to be held on February 12th, 2026. Listen in to Hadi's brother's claim.
I request this government under whose leadership Osman Hadi was killed that they can't escape the responsibility of this murder. You too will have to face the judicial process. Maybe not now, maybe 10 years later. But I warn you that one day you will face court. If you think when you are ousted from power in next 2 months and you will run away to a different country, let me tell you that people of this country will bring you to face the justice. So we request the government to produce the culprits and ensure justice. You were part of this conspiracy to kill him and turn this issue into a reason to postpone the election. We will not let this happen.